Alright, you guys are gonna be so mad at me. Oh my god, bro. I don't think my car's ever been this dirty. It's been outside for the past maybe month. I haven't started it, I haven't drove it, I haven't washed it, nothing. It's so sad. But the main reason why I have not been driving this car is because last time I drove it, the tire went flat. I'll show you guys when I pull it off, but the tire literally ripped open. And I think it's because the car had like too much camber or something. I need to get an alignment. We got my dad helping me. But we're gonna get some new tires today and then finally start driving this car again because I miss it. And I'm putting too many miles on the GTR. I need to stop driving it. Where is it at? Oh my god, look at all this. That is bad, huh?
Yep. Right here.
It literally ripped open everywhere. Yep. Look at that. All along this. So as you can tell, it really needs an alignment. And this is because when I put the chrome wheels, if you guys remember, the chrome wheels needed to be cambered in all the way because they're so wide. And I never adjusted the camber back. So now it kind of beat up these tires. Dude, that's crazy. Look at that. Good thing it didn't happen on the freeway. I could have freaking crashed. We're gonna replace the two fronts. I don't think the rear need to be replaced yet, so we're gonna keep those for now. Look guys, this one's literally doing the exact same thing. You can tell right here. Hopefully get the car washed today too. I don't know. I need to bring this car back to life. And it's not that bad. It's just very dirty. But I do want to change up the wrap. I want to do a whole makeover on this car, guys, and start bringing it out to shows again. I used to take this thing to every car show, big car shows, everything. New wrap, maybe powder coat the wheels or get new wheels. Just change up the whole entire look so it looks completely different and brand new again. Obviously, I need a new lip and also maybe new headlight covers. Because if you get these new, I remember I did it once when I rewrapped my car red. I got new headlight lenses, this new glass, and it makes the car look brand new. This is the homie's Ped's car, a boosted 5.0, bro. We need to run it. He'll probably gat me, bro. Sheesh. This shit's hard. So yeah, guys, if you guys need tires, hit him up. Or if you guys want to follow his Mustang build, go follow him. Like I said, if you guys need new tires, come here, or I'll put the homie Ped's Instagram. You guys can go follow him. I just talked to him and he said it can make like 900 horsepower, bro, with the setup. All right, the wheels are back on. New tires. I believe the back's good. We got some thread still. But let's see if this thing even starts. Like there's literally a full coat of dust on it. I don't think it's ever been this dirty, ever. I highly doubt this thing's gonna start, but let's see. Oh, it actually started. The valve's closed. Oh my god. Yup. Way louder than the GTR. Oh my god, bro. This car feels so weird driving, guys. I can't even see out the window, it's so dusty. Oh, that's probably gonna ruin it. Oh! This is so sad, bro. You guys are gonna hate me for this video, how ugly the E92 looks. Hopefully, we'll get it washed in detail today, maybe. I forget how loud this freaking car is, dude. I'm probably gonna stop at 412 today, and I'm probably gonna take this car. You ready? Woo. Woo. Yeah, guys, I missed this car a lot. But, right off the bat, I noticed. I can already tell, it's so much slower than the GTR. I'm already used to the GTR. The GTR feels slow to me, guys. So this, it's very, very slow. I'm not used to driving a loud car anymore. Oh, this car is so sick. Although it's slow, it's so much fun to drive. The noise. Alright guys, we made it to 412 finally. And now we're about to get the car washed. The homie here is gonna detail it all, make it all clean, bring this thing back to life, because I cannot stand this. It's so dirty. So next time you guys see this, it's about to be clean. Damn guys, look at this. It's finally clean. It needs a new wrap. It's peeling in so many places. You guys remember this in one of the vlogs. I'm just waiting till the E46 is like all put together so that we can take a photo of them next to each other. Once I have that photo of both of them red, then I'll change that one. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. Alright guys, today's vlog has been all over the place. I don't even think I started the vlog, so what's up? Thank you for watching another video. As you guys saw, we got new tires for the E92, and I actually got to drive it today to 412. I haven't drove that car in like over a month. I haven't watched it in over a month, so we got it all detailed and all that stuff. Now we are here at the dyno. Sam's gonna dyno his car for the second time. If you guys remember, the first time his car was too fast. This time, this dyno should be able to hold power. Oh my god, dude, I felt like I was gonna die. I could not breathe. Bro, this shit was crazy. I told you guys thought my car was crazy. Wait till you see Sam's. Like literally me and Joseph went deaf. I couldn't breathe in there, bro. The fumes, the fire, the noise, it was crazy. Oh hell no, it's fucking 85, bro. GTR boys. What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Just made it here to some little car meet, roll racing meet. And on the way over here, we ran into a GTR like you guys saw on the freeway. Another GTR. This one's so clean. You could smell the E85 on the freeway. I know that shit's not stock. We got the two GTRs out here. We got a bunch of Mustangs and Camaros, a bunch of other stuff. But the homie Manny over here, or sick raps. He's trying to make me rap my GTR. And he's also trying to figure out what's wrong. Okay guys, so I didn't film it last time, but probably like a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I found ants inside my GTR. Ants. Little freaking ants. Watch, let's see if I can find them. Oh my god, look, 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 look. I don't know if you guys are able to see. Look, 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 look. There's ants in my freaking GTR. Look right here, look right here. This is exactly where it was last time, bro.
They're everywhere, bro.
Look! We were driving in this shit for like an hour, bro, with ants.
It has to be in your cabin air filter, bro. It has to be.
So
like
this dude thinks there's a freaking rat in my car.
I think there's like a dead fucking little mice in his cabin air filter because he said that his AC smells and shit. So
what if it is, bro?
It has to be that, bro.
Imagine we find a rat inside my engine bay or something.
Bro, there's too many fucking ants. That's not food, bro.
And that's what I'm saying. How would there has to be something they're coming to, and there's no food in here. I never eat in this car. I had the car fully detailed.
Bro, how the fuck you gonna have ants in the GTR? Fucking guy, dude.
I literally got ants crawling in my car. So anyways, that's our current situation. But we made it to this car meet. I guess we're doing like roll racing tonight. I don't think I'm gonna race nobody because again, my car is still not tuned. I have no tune. I'm scared of
a check engine
mess
light.
up my car. Yeah, dude. So I'm not gonna race nobody, probably.
Yeah, bro.
We'll see.
Insert the clip right now of him fucking racing somebody.
Wow. Back home. The car meet was cool. We only raced a couple cars. I raced like the Evo, the BMW, the Z01. We got gassed by everybody today. It wasn't bad, but I don't want to push the car too much until I get it tuned. Once this car's tuned, I'm gonna go out there and race everybody. I swear. I'm gonna race all of them. All 3 of those cars I race, I'm gonna gap them, bro.
Shut up.
But anyways, we're back at home, and now we're gonna see if we can take off this cabin filter. He thinks that's why the ants are in here. Told you. Damn. What do you guys think? Are we gonna find something in the cabin filter? I hope not, dude. But like, really, what could the ants be going to? Sick ass wraps. Sick ass food. Bro, I should make some FindingNick masks.
Damn, Master Tech Manny.
Oh my god, my car is all torn apart.
Oh, you ready? You ready for the truth? You ready for the moment of the truth?
Dude, is there any ants?
It stinks in there, bro.
You're lying, bro.
I swear to God, it stinks. Dude, it's fine.
It's a little dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty, but
no, rat. Just put your hand in there. It's what happened.
That's nasty as fuck. What if
Bro, you said it smelled. What if there is shit in there?
It's because it spins. It's like a little. Oh yeah, there's something in there, bro.
Dude, shut up.
I swear to God, bro.
No, there's not.
Bro, I swear to God, dude.
Why you?
Dude, I swear to
bro.
God. I think it's a bird, bro. I swear.
Smell your hands.
Bro,
Give
I
it
swear
smell.
to God.
Dude, why'd you come out so fast?
I thought it was gonna bite me.
Dude, whatever's in there is dead.
I swear.
I think you're tripping out, dude.
Nah, dude, I'm not even joking. I put it on everything.
Where's it at? In the top or the bottom? Hey guys, I'm putting my hand. If I feel something, I'll freak. Nah, you can't push nothing through here, bro.
Bro, I guess there's nothing there, bro.
Nah, we're good, dude. Well, there's nothing in the vent. I don't know why there's ants in here, though. That's I don't understand why, but...
The filter don't smell. The filter doesn't smell.
Nah, bro, I think if something was there, we would smell that shit bad right now. If you guys got any idea why ants are in my GTR, let me know, bro. I don't understand why there's ants in here.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.